Hey everyone, welcome back to New Notifications. Today we're tackling a global issue, food waste, and how tech is stepping up to solve it. Food waste is a massive problem, filling landfills and harming the environment. But what if your smartphone and some clever AI could help you turn kitchen scraps into something valuable? We're exploring the smartest AI-powered composting apps, ones that make composting easy, efficient, and even fun. I've tested these apps to find out which ones actually make a difference and which have the best features. From smart composters to community connections, we'll cover it all. Ready to see how tech can help you live more sustainably? Let's dive in. Meet Lomi, a countertop composter with serious tech. The Lomi app connects via Bluetooth, letting you pick composting modes and track your impact with slick graphs. Lomi's AI adapts in real time, optimizing heat, abrasion, and oxygen for whatever scraps you toss in. It predicts when to change filters, so you get fewer odors and less hassle. Lomi isn't cheap, but it makes composting feel futuristic and fun. It turns a messy chore into a streamlined, satisfying process. Next up is Compost Connect, which takes a community-first approach to composting. Instead of a device, it links you with local composting services using a smart AI backend. The app uses your location to show nearby services, then ranks them by reliability, user ratings, and what materials they accept. It's like a matchmaking service for your food scraps. Once you pick a service, you can schedule pickups and manage everything in-app. The AI optimizes pickup routes, reducing costs and emissions for everyone. Compost Connect also features an AI-powered guide. Type in "Can I compost pizza boxes?" and get instant location-specific answers. You can even snap a photo of an item, and the AI will tell you if it's compostable. This helps prevent contamination and makes composting less confusing. The app gives you personalized tips based on your waste data, like how to reduce moisture or cut down on certain scraps. It's perfect for city dwellers or anyone without space for a compost pile. Compost Connect makes composting accessible, educational, and efficient. The AI works behind the scenes to streamline the whole process. It's a powerful tool for anyone who wants to compost without the mess. Community, convenience, and smart tech, all in one app. Let's talk about Scrap, the app that takes the guesswork out of sorting your waste. Its AI-powered barcode and image scanner tells you exactly how to dispose of any item, from yogurt containers to avocado pits. Just scan or snap a photo, and Scrap breaks down each component. Recycle, compost, or trash. The AI is hyper-localized, giving you advice tailored to your city's rules. No more confusion about what goes where. Scrap also offers personalized composting guidance based on your setup. Backyard pile, worm bin, or countertop device. It helps you balance greens and browns for healthy compost. Every correct scan earns you points, gamifying the process and making sorting fun. The app aggregates user data to spot common confusion points, helping cities and companies improve recycling and composting programs. Scrap is like having a waste expert in your pocket. Its fast, accurate AI and local customization make it a must-have for anyone starting their composting journey. You'll build confidence, reduce contamination, and get better compost. Scrap turns sorting into a simple, rewarding habit. It's educational, empowering, and surprisingly addictive. For anyone overwhelmed by waste rules, Scrap is the ultimate guide. Make every bin the right bin with a little help from AI. Meet Share Waste, the app that connects neighbors to share kitchen scraps and composting space. Register as a donor or host, and the map-based platform shows you the best local matches. The AI prioritizes hosts based on location, activity, and what scraps they accept, so you're not wasting time messaging inactive users. It even suggests template messages to make introductions easy. The system learns from user behavior, boosting reliable hosts and filtering out inactive ones. You can filter hosts by the types of scraps they want, like coffee grounds or veggie peels, making sure your waste goes where it's needed. Share Waste's AI quietly keeps the network healthy and efficient. It's a grassroots peer-to-peer solution that makes composting social and simple. No fancy device required, just a willing neighbor and a smart app. The AI ensures smooth connections and a positive experience for everyone. ShareWaste proves that tech can build real-world community action. It's perfect for anyone who wants to compost but lacks space or equipment. Turn your scraps into a neighborhood resource with just a few taps. Sometimes the smartest solution is simply connecting people. For the data-driven composter, BioBin is a game-changer. Pair its smart sensor with your compost pile, and the app tracks temperature, moisture, and more in real time. The AI analyzes trends and sends you actionable tips, like when to turn your pile or add water. It cross-references data to give precise advice, helping you avoid common composting problems before they start. The AI was trained on thousands of compost cycles, so it recognizes patterns and predicts issues early. You get detailed analytics and historical graphs, learning exactly how your pile behaves over time. The more you use it, the smarter and more personalized the advice becomes. BioBin turns composting into a transparent, controllable process. It's like having a soil scientist in your pocket, guiding you to perfect black gold. For serious composters, it's an incredibly powerful tool. No more guesswork, just data-driven results. If you love optimization, BioBin is your composting coach. Take your pile from mystery to mastery with AI. Recycle Coach is your all-in-one waste and composting guide, often backed by your local city. Its AI-powered What Goes Where search engine gives you official, location-specific answers for any item. The AI chatbot lets you ask complex composting questions and get detailed, friendly advice. Personalized reminders help you stay on top of collection days and build better habits. The app curates a Discover feed with articles and tips based on your interests and searches. It even helps cities respond to trends. If everyone's searching pumpkin disposal, the app can send out timely composting tips. Recycle Coach bridges the gap between residents and municipal rules, making composting clear and accessible. The AI makes information easy to find and understand, no matter how confusing your local system is. It's a fantastic, often free resource for anyone wanting to compost right. The chatbot feels like texting a knowledgeable friend. Stay informed, stay compliant, and make composting a habit. Recycle Coach is the friendly front end for your city's waste system. Get answers, reminders, and tips, all powered by smart AI. Composting has never been this easy to understand. The Food Cycler app pairs with a countertop composter to help you track and reduce food waste. Log each cycle, estimate your scraps, and let the AI build a detailed picture of your household's waste habits. The app's waste audit section shows trends, like when you waste most, and offers personalized tips to cut down at the source. If you toss lots of veggie scraps, it suggests recipes to use them up. Lots of bread waste, get storage tips and creative uses. Track how much foodalizer, finished compost, you produce, and where you use it, closing the loop visually. The AI also helps you run the machine more efficiently, suggesting batching and maintenance reminders based on your habits. Food Cycler's focus is on both reducing waste and maximizing your compost output. It's a tool for self-reflection and habit change, not just waste management. The app turns simple data logging into actionable insights. You'll see your impact grow as you waste less and compost more. For anyone wanting to understand and improve their food habits, Food Cycler is a smart choice. It's about making every scrap count, from kitchen to garden. There you have it. 7 ways AI is making composting smarter and easier than ever. Whether you want a high-tech device, a community connection, or just better sorting, there's an app for you. These tools empower you to make a real impact on food waste. No more guesswork, just results. Try one out and see how easy and rewarding composting can be. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to new notifications, and share with someone curious about composting. Until next time, stay curious and let's use tech to make a difference.